Oh, we doing this? Oh, we doing it, baby. We're doing it. We're doing it well. We're doing it, and we're doing it, and we're doing it well. I'm going back to Baja. Tell you what, I'm out of here. It's starting to snow, but it ain't snowing. It's kind of weather. It don't do it for me. Time to go. I was thinking like a scan to the not 5 minutes of filming.
At the shop, babe.
Okay.
Now.
Here we are in the depths of the backcountry of Baja, baby. Saw 50 mile an hour is the way to go. Oh, here we are. El Sacrificio. El Sacrificio. El Sacrificio. I love you, Sacrificio. Look how glassy the water is over there, babe. Okay, here we are down here in a secret location. They got hit by a hurricane and I needed to help them. So I felt Jesus in my heart say, we need to get them some tools. So they gave me a list of tools they needed and I was able to get them all from my garage at Home Depot because of the special sales for Christmas. Here's some of the stuff we got. Oh yeah. Bunch of toolkit, you know, the Ryobi toolkit. Some hangers for the next hurricane, no problemo. Lots of stuff here. Yep, beautiful. These are my friends, compañeros. See, we're gonna call that 17.5 inches, folks. That's a nice one. Biggest one of the trip by far. Probably one of the biggest ones I've ever seen. Brought to you by my honey bunny. God. Okay, let's do it again, babe. No more goofing off. You're always goofing around.
Look good, babe.
Well, that's because I'm so beautiful.
Just got another one, but Tim says it's a really big one.
This is a big pompano right here, folks.
Oh.
I got the fish grips.
It was hard to get him in.
Compliments
He's
to
heavy.
my dad. And if Kaba wants to sponsor us, you can find us at Rant 2. Look at that thing.
Not pro.
Boom! That's a good one, honey.
I got another one.
This one ain't.
We're not even
messing
3
up.
minutes later.
This is a good one. Oh, this one's turning the boat. This one's turning the boat.
There he is out there. I see him. He's gonna pop out right around here.
We're gonna work the kayak around him. He might have. There he is, right there.
I see him. Oh, he's pretty.
Head hook of a pompano.
He's a pretty pompano.
Yeah.
Hey, little guy, we're gonna let you go. Don't you worry about nothing.
Don't worry about that hook in your face. It's all gonna be fine. Don't you worry.
Toss you back in your house. You got it?
You got it, not me.
Put him in the water.
That's a spotted bay bass, folks. Miriam's second fish, Pop. A little spotted.
3
Don't
pounder.
torture it, babe.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Don't torture the fish. That's abuse.
Sorry.
Go to jail down here for that.
I'm
Makes it
sorry.
crazy.
Look at his eyeballs. He's cute.
You ripped out his eyeballs?
His gills are all red.
Yeah, he's beautiful.
He's super pretty. Okay. Let me pull him in. I won't, it's attached to me. I got you.
You got footage?
He's a little guy.
You press play?
Yeah.
This is your first fish, honey. Let me see. Let me show you.
It's attached to me.
Never mind.
You could.
That's okay. Look at. Do you see the fish?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Here, take that. Boom. There it is. Now.
Biggest one I got so far.
Yeah, that's a solid 4-pounder right there. Hold on tight, babe.
He's jiggling, baby.
Uh-huh. All right, reel that baby in, baby. We gotta make sure the weeds aren't on her. Can't believe we didn't catch a fish there.
My abs. What is it?
I don't know, but he ain't giving up. He ain't giving up on you. Oh.
Oh my God.
Fishing in the mangroves ain't no joke. Oh.
Holy moly.
Oh, look at that. Bring that in.
God.
That's a big old pargo.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah. What you got there, babe?
My first grouper.
Holy mackinaw. Big old 3-pounder right there.
He's got some teeth.
Yes, he does.
Oh, wow, babe. Holy crap. What a thing to look at and see.
That's a thing of beauty, babe. Good job.
Dinner.
Dinner. He's gargling it up.
Can he breathe out of water?
Let me get
like
you a
this?
picture of him holding the clam, the crabster. All right. This is it, baby. What happened? Tell me what happened.
I cast it to the mangrove and I caught him.
What'd you yell when you got him, babe?
Fish on!
She said, fish on, fish on. What a beast. You got yourself a 5-pound,
One right there, babe.
5-pound snapper. There's big ones all up in here. The bite's starting to turn on.
More.
What you got there, babe?
Corvina.
Yeah, that's a good one right there. Dang. What's that thing? Let's get it on the tape measure over here, baby. Bring it over here. Other side.
That's the biggest one I caught for sure.
For sure. She's been getting toyed with all day. Here you go. Hold it right here. Lay him on down. We got
24 inches.
We're gonna call that 20.
24.
Oh, that's 25, baby. It's right here.
25.
25-inch Corvina. Woo! Nice little spotted bay bass. That was dinner. That's gonna be lunch. This is dinner. Well, what happened, baby? Walk us through what happened here.
Well, I've been getting big ones all morning and they've been fighting me and getting away. Well, I got real close. One got real close to the boat. It was so big. I wanted Tim to pull it in because I can tell when they're too big. And then I got this one and Tim wouldn't take it and we got over here and I got out of the boat.
Yeah, we ran aground in this dirt.
When I got out of the boat, then I could get him better. Okay, I just casted and then I caught a fish, but it's been too heavy for me to get it. And Tim said it swam into the bushes and now we're fighting it.
In the mangroves.
So he's gonna reel it in for me.
We gotta hope that it swims out of the mangroves.
We're gonna see what happens.
Swim into there.
Right there, baby.
You see him going?
Is he fishing?
There's another one. Slow again. Stop. Now back up. Now back in.
He's flopping.
Oh, halibut. What you got there, babe?
Corvina.
Corvina.
Vampire teeth.
Yeah, vampire teeth. There's your face. I can't see. That's cool. Caught him.
Can you release him?
We can. Okay, be careful. I'd rather you didn't hold the lure. Okay, grab that and I'll give it some twists. And some shakes.
I did it.
You did it, babe. That's your first release ever.
I did it. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
We were gonna keep him.
Sure is.
Big baby.
Okay,
Justin, hold
you, Justin.
Okay. Gracias, Justin.
Thanks, baby. Did it?
Yeah.
They're all blasting right here. All right, let me get them off.
Get him off so we can catch some more.
Okay, reel. Oh boy. There he is.
Pompano.
Oh, that's a good size one.
There's a big fish underneath them trying to eat him. Do you see that, baby?
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Was it a shark?
Potentially.
Holy crap.
But it wasn't a big shark, baby.
Oh my god.
It's a pompano.
That's a good fighting pompano. I wonder if those are all pompano, but you might have saw something else, huh?
Oh no,
How
it was
big?
something else.
How big?
This big.
Jeez. what that was. Oh, they're jumping over there. Right over there, they're going nuts. All right, let me get that dumb fish off the line. We're in a very good area here.
That's really cool. I didn't think it's so big inside.
Yeah,
You are not afraid, huh? Oh, wow. Oh my god.
dinner.
He's scared of us.
Dinner.
He's more scared of us.
Yeah, I think so.
What a cool. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good one. I think it's a fish.
That's a big fish. I see it.
Oh, shit, so do I.
Oh my gosh.
Good God, what is that?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, man. It ain't very nice, whatever it is. I don't even really want this in the boat.
Baby, put it in. It's a catfish.
It's a catfish for sure, babe. Oh, here it comes to the surface.
Holy moly, I'm scared of it.
Where's the grips? Fish grips. We don't have nets and gaffs out here. We got fish grips. If you want to sponsor me, fish grips, now's the time.
Oh
yeah.
my gosh.
That's another nice one. Okay, you're gonna go in with your brother. We're trying to feed.
Wow, that's a huge one, baby.
Too bad it's the last day of the trip. This is when we actually keep fish to bring them. Huh, got them. Boom! We're gonna go right here with your little brother. You see the little brother in there, babe? Oh, holy crap. Let me get this. Now what? You're just gonna sit in the kayak with me. All right, here we are. Just went for this hike in Baja. Heard there was a freshwater lake. There it is. It's got that little peninsula thing that goes across it. I don't know if it's freshwater or not. I don't remember if they said it was freshwater or a big salty lake, like Mono Lake. But from the looks of it, I would be willing to bet it's more of a salty lake than not. But it does not connect to the ocean. But there it is. We hiked from Gonzaga up this crazy ravine. Who's this? Beautiful baby. Look at, there's seashells all the way up here. I am just baffled on that. That is pretty cool. Be cool to find a megalodon. Oh God, what the hell? Scared the shit out of me. Probably a native Mexican. There's Gonzaga. There's that little island we like to go to, Pop. This is a little sketchy hike. I wouldn't recommend it.
Yeah, on the right side.
Hopefully the fish keep coming ashore.